In front of you is a tiny bicycle-towed camper, designed for a completely independent miniature lifestyle while staying extremely lightweight. At first look, it might seem small from the outside, but as we take you closer, you'll notice just how intelligently every inch has been used to create a comfortable living space on the go. Starting from the open rear side, you immediately see a cozy sleeping and resting area. This is actually the main bed that stretches from wall to wall, giving enough room for one person to lie comfortably, while still having space on the sides for small belongings. The surface looks soft and padded, making it perfect for relaxing after a long ride, especially in quiet nature settings like the landscape you're watching right now. Directly in front of the bed area, there is a compact built-in micro kitchen setup. This space is designed using warm wooden textures combined with clean white surface finishing, giving a neat and modern feel. There's a small stove and an oven installed right here, meaning cooking on the road is not just possible but convenient. You can prepare warm meals, boil water, or even bake if you're adventurous. Above that area, there are small storage shelves that can hold utensils, cups, or ingredients, so everything stays organized even when you're traveling. A medium-sized window placed exactly above the kitchen allows plenty of natural light to pass through. Not only does this open view make cooking enjoyable, but it also helps with ventilation, keeping heat and smell circulating outwards. On the side walls, you'll notice additional rectangular windows that bring more daylight inside, preventing the space from looking dark or cramped. These also allow you to admire nature, wherever you decide to stop. Moving your eyes lower to the base of the interior, you'll see a smartly designed utility compartment right under the bed. This area is perfect for storing essential equipment such as water bottles, battery systems, tools or camping accessories. There's already a visible water bottle inside, showing that you can keep everything safely tucked in without losing space in the sleeping area. On the exterior lower portion, the camper stands on two sturdy wheels, which keep the trailer stable when parked. They're wide enough to handle off-road paths and countryside routes, making travel smooth even on uneven surfaces. Above them, you'll notice the camper's side panel has a gentle rounded shape. This aerodynamic design helps reduce drag when towing with a bicycle, making pedaling easier and smoother over longer distances. The connecting structure attaches firmly to the back of the bicycle. The bicycle itself includes a front basket, which can hold groceries, snacks or personal items ready for quick use during your journey. The entire setup reflects an eco-friendly idea, powered by your own pedaling energy instead of fuel. It offers a peaceful traveling experience, allowing you to explore nature without disturbing the environment around you. When you step back and look at the complete structure, you notice how beautifully the interior blends with outdoor living. From enjoying coffee in the morning to sleeping under the stars at night, everything is placed to give the feeling of freedom without giving up essential comfort. The camper's interior wood gives a warm home-like touch, while the simple white exterior keeps it modern and minimal. Because of its small size, this camper is highly portable and can be driven into places where cars or bigger RVs fail to reach. You can stop anywhere, open fields, forest edges, lakesides, or mountain paths, and turn nature into your bedroom instantly. There's enough room inside to relax, cook, sleep, and store belongings, without carrying heavy luggage. This kind of micro-camper lifestyle represents a minimalistic and sustainable travel idea. With just a bicycle, you can take your tiny home anywhere, experiencing nature closely, living slow, and traveling at your own pace. It encourages adventure, freedom, and simple living, while giving everything you need in this extremely compact space made with care and thoughtful planning.